Hello everyone, how are you? I am also well and very doing well. I am trying to speak English. So right now I have decided to every day I will talk English 2 or 3 minutes. If though I don't speak English, but I will try speaking English 2 or 3 minutes. But I know this is very difficult for me. But I have to try. I have to try. I have to practice because I have to speak English at any cost. Because right now English is an international language. Everywhere is very needed. Wherever you go, you need to English. You have to know English. You have to able to others people how they speak English. So you have to understand English, right? So that you have to learn English. Whenever you will be when you ever you will able to learn English, then you will understand the English how much easy. So everyone say that this line. Now I follow their this rule, so I practice their rules and I practice English so that I can speak English. This is very difficult for me because I right now I am beginner. When I will when I over a beginner, then I will able to speak English. Netizen how they say it. Whenever I will able to speak English, then everyone. Then I will make a video everyone that I will show my village, I will show my town, and I will show my all everywhere places. Then so everyone please pray for me so that I can speak English. Okay, everyone. First of all, I have said I will speak English 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, right now I will show you one thing. This is called bamboo. Bamboo is our countries available. That is grow everywhere place, especially where there water. This bamboo will grow automatically. So bamboo is a very essential our village. This is also uses pillar. This is also uses pillar. Also uses this house uses there. I don't know how this is how did call, but there is uses bamboo. You can see this is bamboo. Okay, everyone. So everyone will be good and everybody will pray for me. Thank you, everyone.